How to fix iPhone Apple Maps not working. First thing first, you have to make sure that you are connected to the stable network. Once you have the stable network, the next thing you want to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store and in the search bar, search for Maps. Move into this app. Right here, instead of Open, if you see the option of Update, then your application is not up to date. And it must be one of the reason that you're having the issue. If that's the case, tap on Update and update your app. Wait for a while for it to update. Once you've got the latest version, now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device and then head over to General. Move into iPhone Storage and in here, search for the application Maps. Once you find it, head over to it. Now, simply click on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. If you're still having the issue, then what you want to do is uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. Well, that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix iPhone Apple Maps not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.